Question number 151. Who invented integrated circuit or IC? A. Jack Kilby. B. Herman Hollerith. C. Charles Babbage. D. Bill Gates. Correct answer is A. Jack Kilby. Question number 152. Which computers are used in banking, railways and airlines? A. Minicomputer. B. Microcomputer. C. Supercomputer. D. Mainframe computer. Correct answer is D. Mainframe computer. Question number 153. In computer, OCR stand for? A. Optical card reader. B. Office cash receiver. C. Online computer retrieval. D. Optical character recognition. Correct answer is D. Optical character recognition. Question number 154. Which electronic components are used in third-generation computers? A. Transistors. B. Vacuum tubes. C. Integrated circuit. D. ULC microprocessor. Correct answer is C. Integrated circuit. Question number 155. Key of keyboard which is used to get back to the beginning of a document is called? A. Home key. B. Escape key. C. End key. D. F12 key. Correct answer is A. Home key. Question number 156. A keyboard's key that enables a user to avoid the currently selected option is called? A. F7 key. B. F4 key. C. Escape key. D. End key. Correct answer is C. Escape key. Question number 157. What is the output shown on a computer monitor called? A. Screen copy. B. Hard copy. C. Soft copy. D. VDU. Correct answer is C. Soft copy. Question number 158. The printed output from a computer is called? A. Screen copy. B. Hard copy. C. Soft copy. D. VDU. Correct answer is B. Hard copy. Question number 159. Programs stored in ROM are called? A. Fireware. B. Firmware. C. Malware. D. Firmware. Correct answer is D. Firmware. Question number 160. Dot matrix printer is an example of? A. Laser printer. B. Impact printer. C. Thermal printer. D. None. Correct answer is B. Impact printer. Question number 161. The central processing unit CPU consists of? A. Input, output and processing. B. Primary and secondary. C. Control unit. D. Control unit, arithmetic logic unit and primary storage. Correct answer is D. Question number 62. Operating system is an intermediary between programs and? A. Utilities. B. Ethernet. C. Hardware. D. User interface. Correct answer is D. User interface. Question number 163. Which of the following operating system does not support more program at same time? A. DOS. B. Mac. C. Linux. D. Windows. Correct answer is A. DOS. Question number 164. Control plus A is used for? A. To bold. B. To save. C. To select whole area. D. None. Correct answer is C. To select whole area. Question number 165. Which of the following is an example of an output device? A. Printer. B. Monitor. C. Both A and B. D. Mouse. Correct answer is C. Both A and B. Question number 166. Which function key is used to open the Save as dialog box? A. F4. B. F6. C. F9. D. F12. Correct answer is D. F12. Question number 167. What is the example of binary number? A. 0 and 1. B. 1 and 2. C. 2 and 3. D. 3 and 4. Correct answer is A. 0 and 1. Question number 168. Bits stand for A. Bin file. B. Bin digits. C. Binary digit. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Binary digit. Question number 169. MAC stands for A. Media access cancel. B. Media access control. C. Memory access control. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Media access control. Question number 170. The length of MAC addresses? A. 32 bits. B. 48 bits. C. 64 bits. D. 128 bits. Correct answer is B. 48 bits. Question number 171. Windows 7 was released on A. October 22, 2002. B. October 22, 2003. C. October 22, 2005. D. October 22, 2009. Correct answer is D. October 22, 2009. Question number 172. Half byte or 4 bits is called A. Pixel. B. Nibble. C. Memory. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Nibble. Question number 173. Which of the following is /R the logic gate? A. And. B. Or. C. Not. D. All of these. Correct answer is D. All of these. Question number 174. OS is the example of A. Hardware. B. Software. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Software. Question number 175. Press _ to open find dialog box. A. Ctrl+F. B. Ctrl+Alt+F. C. Tab+F. D. Alt+F. Correct answer is A. Ctrl+F. Question of the day. Which shortcut key is used for shut down the computer? A. Shift. B. Alt+F4. C. Ctrl+F4. D. Ctrl+Tab. Please leave answer in comment section down below.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit that notification bell icon. For more content, click on above videos.